Ever wake up, stretch, grab a coffee, and suddenly you're craving chocolate or pizza or something totally random? Hold up. Was that really your decision? Or was something else pulling the strings? Stay with me, because what I'm about to tell you will change the way you think about your own brain, literally. Right now, as you're watching this, your body is home to trillions of tiny creatures, little organisms living inside you, sending signals to your brain, shaping your moods, your cravings, maybe even your personality. And no, this isn't some sci-fi horror movie. This is real science. It's called the gut-brain connection, and it's one of the weirdest, most fascinating things happening inside your body right now. So, how exactly are these tiny microbes messing with your head? Here's how it works. Your gut isn't just a food processor. It's basically a second brain. It's packed with nerves and chemical sensors, just like the one in your skull. And it's constantly chatting with your actual brain through a superhighway called the vagus nerve. Think of it like a two-way text conversation. Your brain sends messages to your gut, and your gut fires messages right back. But here's where it gets wild. A bunch of those messages aren't written by you. They're coming from your gut bacteria. These little guys don't just help digest your food. They produce chemicals like serotonin and dopamine, the stuff that controls your mood, stress, hunger, even how calm you feel. In fact, about 90% of your serotonin is made in your gut, not your brain. Crazy, right? So when your gut bacteria release these chemicals, they travel through your vagus nerve straight to your brain, tweaking your feelings, your cravings, your stress levels, and you might never realize it. Ever notice how sometimes you crave sugar out of nowhere? It might be those sugar-loving bacteria in your gut throwing a tantrum because you cut back on sweets. And when you give in, say grab a cookie, those microbes are happy again. You think it's your decision, but it could be them. And it gets even sneakier. Some bacteria actually try to sabotage other bacteria by controlling what you eat. They'll make you crave foods they like and avoid ones that might feed their microbial competition. Sounds like science fiction? Scientists thought so too, until they tested it. In experiments, when mice raised in completely sterile environments, no gut bacteria at all, were observed, they had weaker immune systems and acted totally different, way more anxious and jumpy. But when those same mice were given gut bacteria from calm mice, guess what? They calmed down too. Even wilder, when calm mice got bacteria from anxious mice, they became anxious. The bacteria alone changed their behavior. And in humans, fecal transplants, yeah, exactly what it sounds like, where people get healthy gut bacteria from someone else, have shown unexpected effects. People treated for stomach issues sometimes report feeling less anxious, happier, even though no one was trying to treat their mood. This is still a developing area of science, but the implications are massive. If tweaking your gut bacteria can change your thoughts, cravings, and feelings, then who's really in charge? We like to think we're a single, independent consciousness, but the truth is, you're a walking, talking ecosystem, and your microbiome might be running the show more than you think. So the next time you get a sudden craving, or your mood shifts out of nowhere, maybe, just maybe, it's not you, it's them. If you thought this was wild, wait until you hear about the parasite that turns mice into fearless thrill seekers. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.